What is the circumference and area of the opening of this drinking cup? So the opening of the drinking cup is here. And if we're doing circumference and area, then we need to be sure that we have the radius and diameter. Radius goes halfway, short line, short word. Radius is 4. The distance all the way across the circle, therefore, would be 8. Formula for circumference, C equals pi times diameter. So to substitute, we put in what numbers we're going to use, 3.14 times diameter of 8, and we get 8 times 3 is 24. Yeah, 8 times 3 is 24, plus 1 is 25. 1, 2, 1, 2. So circumference is 25.12 centimeters. If we're going to do area, the formula for area is different. A equals pi r squared. R squared means r times r. So to substitute, again, pi is 3.14 times radius is 4, so 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16, so we are multiplying pi by 16. 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 1 is 6, 7, 8. 6 times 3 is 18. Leave a placeholder. And then we have 3, 1, 4. Add them up. 3, 4, 5. 5024. 2 numbers behind the decimal here. So 2 numbers behind the decimal here. A equals 50.24, and area is always units squared.